Bit of that oil back in there.
What are you doing, Finn?
Are you stirring, Finn? Alright, you ready to spray?
Spray.
Okay, we gotta put this down and take it away from you.
We've got to spray just to make it today.
Okay, ready? Okay, ready? You gonna hold on? Hold on. Okay.
Ow!
Uh-oh.
It's a lot of spray.
Okay, good job. So now it says we need an egg. Oh boy, Finn, we need to put in an egg, your favorite.
Mama?
Yeah?
One muffin.
You want to help me with the egg?
Okay.
Okay, you ready?
Okay.
Okay, ready? Gonna hit the side. And then we gotta open it up.
Yay! Good job, Finn!
Let go. Let go.
Let's go.
Okay.
What do you want to have?
Well, we gotta stir, but we gotta wash our hands first, okay?
What do you want to have?
You gonna wash hands? Okay, come on. Part of the important process is washing hands, keeping a very sanitary, salmonella-free kitchen. Finn is a stickler for hygiene.
I can see that.
Okay. Get a paper towel. And
Yeah,
yeah, well, it's your turn to stir now. Okay, you really